Okay, we're here at the SoFi Stadium here in Los Angeles. BTS is now doing sound check, and oh my gosh, it's so crazy over here. You can't even get online to get merchandise because it's way too long. It's like a mile away, and there's so many merchant trucks, and yet it's so hard. Oh my goodness. But anyways, listen to the sound check right now. And of course, I'm with Mariel. I have Kennedy there, Kyla's friend. And where's Kyla? Kyla's right here. Okay, Kyla is so ready for BTS. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm trying not to miss anything.
Okay.
Did they just got done with sound check? Anyways, it's a lot of people in here. I think the capacity is 60,000. You know what? The parking is $80. Can you imagine, Ate Jock? $80 yung parking pa lang. Oh, hi G. Oh my goodness, it's so expensive in here. It's beautiful though. So many people. It's exciting just to feel the energy even before the concert. Anyways, there's more people right on the entrance. Oh my gosh. They walk so fast. I hope I'm not gonna get lost. I'm not trained for this. This young one has so much energy. Well, look at these people. Anywhere in LA, it's actually like crowded when it comes to stores, because of BTS being in town and having this concert for 4 days. It's really amazing. Anyways, asa na ba yung mga yon? There it is. Okay. Are they doing more sound check? Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. Sorry. Huh?
And pay attention to where you're walking.
Sorry, because it was like way down. I know. Well, what is happening? Why everyone is everywhere? See, it's not easy. I'm like an oldie in the middle of all these young ones. Really, really crazy. You don't know who to follow. You don't know where the lines are.
Thank you.
Even parents are here with their kids.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Just found out about it.
Isn't this crazy? Super, super crazy. And all around the stadium, it's like this. Look, the parking alone. Wow, look at the stadium. Super. So this is nice to experience somehow, even at least once in a lifetime. But these two over here, they're